my channel. My name is Angel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this 30-minute beat. If you guys would like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Of course, the products vary. I'm actually trying some new products in this video from Mary Kay. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I have already exfoliated my lips because I am going to be rocking a red lipstick. So I exfoliated using the Mary Kay Satin Lip Scrub. This is the Shea Scrub, you guys. It's awesome. It has white tea and citrus, and it also has shea butter in it, so it's amazing. I'm also going to go ahead and follow up with a little bit of BlizzTex. I actually do have the lip balm to match that, and I love that as well. But because I'm going to be wiping it off anyway, I was like, you know what? Y'all know I keep the BlizzTex on deck. You feel me? So I was like, let me just go ahead and bring the BlizzTex out. Plus it's right here. Alright, so for primer, I'm going to be using something new, something different. This is the Mary Kay Foundation Primer. You guys, this is my first time trying some of these products out here on camera. So this is a first for me. I do love that this primer has sunscreen in it. You let me know when you find a primer that has sunscreen in it. I'll wait. It has SPF 15 in it, you guys. And this is what the packaging looks like. I believe that it is a silicone. Ooh, yeah, it's definitely a silicone based primer. So I know that this is going to help blur out some things. It might even fill in my pores. Let me grab a mirror so we can get an up close look at this thing. We can see what it's really doing. Very smooth. I don't know if this claims to be a mattifying primer or a pore filling primer. I just really like that it has SPF in it. I guess we'll kind of test it out, and I'll kind of let you guys know whether it kept my oils at bay. Okay, so it felt very silky and smooth at first, but it is kind of drying down. It's not tacky or anything, but it's just not as silky as it was, which is a good thing because I need some sort of mattification on my faces. I have to have it. So moving on to foundation, I am going to be using my Fenty Beauty. I didn't want to try new everything because I am going out and I need my face to be sitting, sis. Sitting pretty, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and plop this on my face. Oh my goodness, you guys, my mustache area is so freaking red. I would choose to do my mustache right before I film, right? But sis, I'm wearing a red lip. And I can't be looking like a man and a hairy person out here. So I was like, you know what? Let's go ahead and do the stash, sis. Gotta clean my earrings off because they got a little makeup on them, sis. And of course, I'm just going to blend out my little unibrow. So the face is on. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to concealer. And for concealer, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape. Again, like I need my face to be sitting. So I'm using some new products, but I'm also using some of my Holy Grail products. So now that I have that all blended out, I'm going to go ahead and set using this Mary Kay Translucent Loose Powder. This is my first time also using this powder as well, you guys. I'm super nervous. I hope it does not leave flashback. I'm also going to put it to the test to see if it leaves flashback. So yeah, let's go ahead and apply this. And wow, one thing I can say is this powder is finely milled. Very finely milled. Very soft. Oh my goodness. It's very, very white too. Very white. Let's see. And I'm just going to work it and press it into the skin. Wow, and a little bit goes a long way with this too. I will say this powder is very, very smooth. It's not cakey. It's not clinging to any of my dry spots or anything like that. So that's a really, really good thing. Yeah, okay, Mary Kay. I see you. So moving on to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using my Soft Focus Milk Chocolate. You guys, I do want to try some of the Mary Kay loose powder, y'all, but I just, like, sis, it's hard. Oh my god, like this powder, I feel like I have been using this for years. Face is powdered. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the lashes. So for lashes, you guys, I am wearing these AliExpress E11 lashes. Super beautiful, super bold. No eyeshadow for me. Like, you guys, I honestly do not wear eyeshadow that much at all. Only when I'm feeling a little fancy I wear eyeshadow, but normally I just throw on some big lashes and call it a day. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on and then I'll be back. So I think this is the part that I'm most nervous about. So going in with my Mary Kay palette, cause my face is looking good. You know I ain't trying to mess nothing up, sis. I'm going in with their contour. This is in the shade Cocoa. I think that it's gonna be super beautiful. It does have a little bit of shimmer in it, which I don't mind. So we're gonna be using this for bronzer, and I really just focus it like around my hairline. I'm trying to mess the edges up now, sis, but I focus it around the hairline and in this area right here. And as you guys can see, like, it already looks darker in this area right here. So I'm going to go ahead and keep bronzing in my face. This is actually really, really gorgeous. Like, oh my god, like that side, sis, versus nothing. So yeah, it looks really pretty. And I love the warmness and the red undertone that it has in it. Woo, I'm looking like a bronzy snacky snack. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely gorgeous. So for blush, their blushes, Mary Kay has some beautiful blushes, you guys, but I'm not really into shimmer blushes. Like, I like me matte, sis. So I'm just gonna use this matte blush I have, and this is in the shade Raisin. And I wasn't going to add any highlighter, but I was like, you know what, sis, where's my highlighter brush? Oh, here it is. Y'all, my highlighter brush is clean as a whistle. Like, I have not highlighted in I don't know how long. So I'm gonna take this beautiful shade right here. It's kind of like a peachy golden highlighter. It's called Honey Glow. So I'm gonna use just a little bit of this, just a teeny bit. I have been loving a super matte face. I think that's enough. Put a little bit on my nose. And then I am just wiping my lips off, wiping that BlizzTech off, because Mary Kay matte lipsticks are not super matte on the lips and they're not super drying. So I don't feel like I need any extra moisture. And plus I like my reds to be kind of matte. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the lips, then we'll spray the face, and then we'll do mascara, because I don't want my stuff to be running, be looking crazy. So let's go ahead and fill in the lips. And for lip liner, I'm just using MAC Night Moth. So next, I'm moving on to my lipstick. I am just going to use this Mary Kay lipstick in Red Stiletto. Like I said, this is one of their semi-matte lipsticks. Beautiful bright red shade. So if you're looking for like some matte lipsticks but you want something very comfortable, this is it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face using the Mary Kay makeup finishing spray, and this is why was I finna say this is in the shade? I'm tripping, y'all. This is actually in collaboration with Skindinavia, I think that's how you say it. I've never tried their setting spray, but I just hear that they have really nice products as well. So that was kind of dope that Mary Kay paired, you know, collab with them on this. So it's my first time using it, so let's see how she sprayed. Okay. Nothing too crazy. Just gonna go ahead and fill in my mold. Oh, mascara. Let me go ahead and apply some of this mascara to my bottom lashes. And by the way, this is the Mary Kay Intensity Lash Mascara. Love it. The wand is super voluptuous and just everything. But you do have to be careful because, especially if you're using it for bottom lashes, but I love it because it makes my lashes look hella long, sis. And I'll just run a little bit on my top lashes too. You know we gotta snatch the nose. Sis, hold up. Before we head out, I forgot we gotta snatch the nose. Wait a minute, no ma'am. Where's my nose snatcher? I was like, I'm missing something. Now let's see what. I'm over here looking all bronze and snatch and my nose looking like Humpty Dumpty. No ma'am. So you guys, this is pretty much it, the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And if you like the channel, sis, because you keep on coming back, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. And hit that notification bell, sis, so you won't miss any more of my uploads. Y'all be blessed. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.